How to start Windows 11 in safe mode. In this guide, I'll show you how to boot Windows 11 into safe mode. If you find it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Open the Start menu. Click the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner. Access the Restart option. Click the power icon. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click Restart. Enter recovery mode. Your computer will restart and enter recovery mode. On the blue screen, select Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options, click Advanced Options. Choose Startup Settings. Click Restart. Select Safe Mode. When your computer restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press 4 or F4 to start safe mode. Log in and use Safe Mode. Safe Mode loads a basic version of Windows to help you troubleshoot issues. You'll see Safe Mode in the corners of the screen. Exit Safe Mode. Once you're done, open the Start menu, click the power icon, and select Restart. Your system will boot back into normal mode.